What's up, friends? Welcome back to the channel. I got another great video for you today. We are doing the top best deals on eBay this week. Let's see what I found, because first up we have a Fisher Price diaper backpack. This would make the perfect gift, especially if you or a loved one are expecting. This is only $21.99, and what's also great about this gift is you can come down and submit a best offer. Just come down, click this make an offer, and submit an offer. I would suggest doing at least $5 less and go from there. Here we have a WWE Classic Hulk Hogan vs. Andre the Giant Funko Pop, and we have a great price here. We can also submit a best offer. Come down, make an offer for $5, make an offer for $4.50. But on top of that, I have an additional coupon code, 20% off. Just come down at checkout, type in Summer Home 20, and you will get an additional 20% off. So the absolute most you'll pay for this product, if you just buy it now and don't even submit an offer, is $5.20. And if you're not shopping on eBay, you are missing out. We have a great deal on a genuine Dickies ball cap. This is water defense and it's a canvas hat. The only color available is the brown duck color, but that's the most popular anyway. 50% off, bringing the price down to $6.50. And for our Mario fans, we have the Nintendo Super Mario Brothers. This is the Luigi plush doll here, $14.99. But what's great about this product is we can make it best offer. Don't just buy it now, make an offer, send them an offer for $10, see if they accept it, and just go up from there. Here we have the JanSport Crosstown, their 17-inch backpack, perfect for anyone, and this is a great deal at $23.99. But what else do we see? We can make them an offer. We can offer them $20 on this item, we can offer them $19, whatever your heart desires, and if you buy 3, you do get 1 free. An electric compact circular saw by Works. This is their 4M saw. This is a great deal as well. Look what we have here. We have a great coupon code that we can apply. Just put in Retail King 20 off. That'll get us the price down to $39.99. And we can also even make them an offer and apply the coupon code. Keep that in mind as well. A basket shower caddy by Room Essentials, perfect for those of you who need one at home. And look what we have here. We have a coupon code and we can make an offer. So anytime you see make an offer, make them an offer and then apply the coupon code, because this coupon code will drop the price an additional 20% off. So the most expensive you'll pay for this product is $10.39, but I'm sure you can get it much cheaper than that. Always make them an offer. The Alltech Lansing Nano Earbuds 2.0 True Wireless Earbuds here. These are Bluetooth, and the only color available are these light baby blue colors, but look at the price, only $28.25. I know there's definitely plenty of Pokemon fans out here. We got the Pikachu and it's electric, and look at the price, even better, $13.99. But also you can make that best offer as usual. Offer them $10, offer them $9. This is the best offer, and this is perfect right before Christmas. Don't wait last minute, pick one up now. The JBL 660 active wireless noise canceling headphones, and look at the price, only $19.96. These go for $99 on Amazon, but brand new. Here they're certified refurbished, but that's okay because these are certified. Add these to cart, only $19.96. A 4-pack waist set. This is by the brand Anchor. These are concrete and coated in plastic. 5-pound weights here. We do get 4 of them. They fit 1.25 bars, and look what we have here, a very cheap price at $23.99, but we can get it down further by giving them a best offer. Just don't pay full price, even though it's cheap. Offer them $15 and see what they say. Move up from there. A refurbished 5-wood from TaylorMade, sold by Global Golf for only $112.99. A fantastic steal with a graphite shaft. 65% off men's Adidas slides here, a fantastic deal. Look at the price, only $8.75. That's a great price for some slides. With inflation at an all-time high, a lot of people these days are cutting the cords, getting rid of their cable box and keeping internet only. Now is the perfect time to pick up the Philips indoor amplified signal antenna, a great deal. This comes with a 10-foot coax cable and it's only $16.24. Why do you need this? So you can get your local news channels and your local channels. This is only $16.24, but we can get it down further. Just make them an offer here, click the offer button, offer them 10, offer them 11, and go from there. For our little ones at home, we have Thomas and Friends. This is a 6-pack farm engine train, a great little kit here. And look at the price, it's only $12.20, but also we have that best offer price as well. Come down, make them an offer them $9, offer them 10, and go from there. Once again, from the Clarks official store, we have the Clarks Men's Nature X Go. These are great active sneakers at an unbelievable price, 63% off, bringing the price down to $44.99. And we still have plenty of sizes available. This is brand new. It does come with the box, 63% off, and already 498 pairs have been sold. We have the Infinity Pro by Conair, a perfect flat iron, and this is an unbelievable price, only $13.99. But once again, what do we see? We see that best offer. Just come down, make that offer. Make sure you make it a little bit less, $9, $10. See what they say. Maybe they'll accept it. And on top of everything, we have an additional coupon code where we can get an additional 20% off just by punching in HairCare20, and that will automatically be applied during checkout. Here we have another great item, a natural home folding utility cart, great to have at all households. And look at the price, it's even better, $29.99. But what else do we see? We see that best offer price. We can come down, we can make an offer for $20, we can make an offer for $25, see if they accept it. And on top of that, we have a coupon code that we can apply, Summer Home, that will give us an additional 20% off at checkout, bringing the price down even further. Here we have a beautiful modern lamp. It is brass. It does have that mini table on it. It looks absolutely great. And what's even better, you can submit a best offer. They only have one quantity left here. This is open box. Submit an offer, make an offer for like $40 and see what happens. They do have an additional coupon code where you can get an additional 20% off at checkout. Just type in Summer Home 20 and that'll be applied during checkout. See if you can grab this. Someone will get lucky. There's only one left. Make sure you grab it. Let me know in the comments who got it. Here we have the very popular Hex Bugs. This is the Truck RC kit, 85 pieces, rechargeable, a great kit. Everybody knows this brand, and the price is even better. Perfect with Christmas on the way. Don't wait till last minute. Grab one of these now, and look at the price, only $14.99. That's a steal, but we can get the price down even further. Look how many already sold already, 2,615 sold. Just come down here, make an offer them like $10, offer them $11, see if they take it. This is an unbelievable price, even at $14.99. Beautiful self-watering planter, 11 inches wide, that tapers down. Great to have at any household, perfect for the deck, perfect for the front of the house. And look at the price, it's $25.99. That's a great price here. But what's even better, once again, make that offer, and we have an additional coupon code. Summer Home 20 will get you an additional 20% off at checkout. Don't forget, make them an offer. Make them offer for like 20 bucks, even less. Just all you gotta do is hit the 20, that's it, and send them the offer. Another great buy here with 50% off. We got the X-Shot by Zuru. This is an insanity price right here, $14.99, a perfect price with Christmas on the way again, 50% off, but we can get it down even more. Just make that offer again. Let's get the price down more. Offer them 10, buy 2 of them. You know, I'm sure you can use them. Over 92 already sold. A beautiful outdoor end table that's completely made out of steel. This is a must buy if you do have a nice outdoor space. Perfect to rest your coffee cup, drinks, a plant. This is perfect to have. And the price is even better at only $18.99. Wow. But we can get the price on even more because I have another coupon code for you. That's right. Just enter Summer Home 20 at checkout. That's going to get the price down to $15.19. Another item from Hexbug, we have the Black Widow RC Robot Spider. This is a great price, unbelievable for the ages of 8+. Your little ones are going to love this. This makes the perfect gift, especially time for Christmas. Pick up both of those RC Bugs, X-Bugs, and this is $11.25, but we can submit a best offer. Get it down to $10, get it down to $9, submit those offers even cheaper. Look at already 2,429 already sold, and this is a limited time deal. You got to grab these while they last. And here we have a great grill from Weber. It is electric, but that's okay because this is compact and very versatile. And even though it's electric, it still can get up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit. But look at what we have here. It's already 34% off. But what do we have? We could submit an offer to them. Submit them an offer, make them offer for 200. See if they take it. And if they do, that's great because we have an additional coupon code that we can apply, SummerHome20 at checkout, and that will bring the price down another 20%. And if you are enjoying these deals, friends, leave me a comment, leave me a like. Let me know how you like these eBay deals. Is it a win? Is it a loss? Let me know. Do you guys shop at eBay? Because if you're not, you're missing out. They do have a lot of great deals. I was going to make a little bit longer video, but this is just a test run. Let me know if you want me to continue making eBay deals. I'm going to add that to the lineup if you do. Here we have a Blue Ridge tool, 12 volt max. This is a cheap drill. If you don't have a drill at home and you're thinking about buying one but don't want to spend $30, $40, check this one out. It's only $15.97. It's very small. It's just for the basics around home. It's nothing special, but that's okay. You can make an offer them $10 here. Get the price down, $10. And after you submit the offer, if they do accept it, we have an additional coupon code that you can apply at checkout. Just type in SummerHome20 and that will give you an additional 20% off at checkout. If you did enjoy today's video, let me know in the comments. Give me that thumbs up. Let me know what you want to see next. Tomorrow I'm going to do Costco's clearance video. Stay tuned for that. I'll see you at the next video. Peace. But don't forget, here are 4 different videos. Go check any one of those out. I'll see you tomorrow night. Good night.